We have chicks. Welcome to the Lunda Farming Channel. This is part 2 of a series of videos documenting chicks to eggs, and this is the arrival of chicks to the farm. At Lunda we love to farm, so if you are new here, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you don't miss out on any of these YouTube series of chicks to eggs. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, so we set off to go pick up the chicks from the supplier. On arrival, we immediately start counting and sorting the chicks. We then pack up the birds and head to the farm. On arrival at the farm, we immediately place the chicks into the brooder, which has already been pre-warmed for the last 5 hours, at an average temperature of 33 degrees Celsius. Before doing anything else, we weigh 10% of the chicks in order to verify day 1 weights for the chicks we have received. This step is very important. The uniformity and average weight lets you know your starting point clearly. We then fill the drinkers with drinking water, which has electrolytes, glucose and vitamins, and place them evenly around the room. Once the drinkers are all set with drinking water, we let the chicks out and empty all the crates. For the next 4 hours we let the chicks get used to their new surroundings as they rehydrate themselves before introducing any feed. At this stage, we keep monitoring the chicks' behavior to make sure they are settling in well. We also make sure that the nipple lines also have drinking water. After 4 hours we place the feeding trays evenly across the room, and introduce feed to the chicks. We prefer to start with starter pellets for the first 5 to 7 days. You can choose to start with whatever feed works for you, but this has worked out very well for us over the years. We use trays as feeders for the first 1 to 3 weeks maximum. Trays are very good at avoiding wastage of feed and are easier to wash and keep clean, therefore avoiding diseases like coccidiosis. An even spread of chicks across the room is always a good indicator of an even spread of heat at the right temperature. We continue to monitor the chicks all through the day to make sure every chick has drunk and eaten food. As night falls, we turn on the lights and ramp up the heat, because today, the heavens have opened up and it's raining heavily. If you look properly, the gas heaters are on and we also have some pots lit up. We are targeting temperatures between 33 to 36 degrees Celsius, as per the management guide, which we will talk about in another episode. Leave a comment and let us know. Part 3 of these series of chicks to eggs will be coming up next, so please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss it. Give us a like, leave a comment, a suggestion or any advice on our process. We will highly appreciate it. This is the Lunda Farming Channel.